Hey, what's going on, you guys? In this video, I'm going to be talking about sales funnel and why websites don't work anymore. Hey, what's going on, you guys? Benjamin here with Motivational Marketer, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about sales funnels and why websites just don't work anymore. Now, you're probably thinking, that sounds crazy, because websites, they work perfectly fine for any business that's selling a product or a service. But in this video, I'm going to be comparing a sales funnel to a website to show you guys what the major difference is when it comes to making more sales from selling your product or your service. Now, the example that I'm going to be explaining in this video was also used as an example by Russell Brunson. Now, if you guys don't know who Russell Brunson is, he's the creator of ClickFunnels, an amazing software for building landing pages to get more sales for your business. And he's also the author of .com Secrets. So this book is gonna be your best friend if you're looking to create an online business. But anyways, I'm gonna be showing you guys the difference between a website and a sales funnel. So when you think of a website, you're usually thinking about a basic homepage of a website. Let's say this is the homepage for your website. Up here you have maybe the header, the headline, whatever, the headline. And then right here you have maybe like an About Us section, shop more, or contact us, and you have like all these drop down menus that people can that people are going to see when they click on any of these buttons, or if they just hover over those buttons. And maybe you have like an image of, or a short video of what your product or your service is all about, and then you have other maybe products right here. So if you think about it, if somebody comes to your website and they want to purchase a specific product, let's say that your website is selling t-shirts. If your product is right here, people have to come all the way through here. They have to navigate past all of this stuff just to get to your product. So if you think about it, there's a lot of distractions that are going to stop people from buying your product, because they're going to come over any of these buttons. They're going to see drop down menus. They're going to be redirected to any other product page or whatever besides what they were intentionally looking for. So when you have so many distractions on your website, people are going to get confused, or they might even forget what they came to your website for. Now, Russell, he always says, a confused mind always says no. So if you're confusing people by having them see too many options, you're giving them all kinds of different products that they probably aren't interested in. Maybe they came to your website because they saw a specific product, maybe a certain t-shirt that they were interested in buying, but then you're confusing them with all of this stuff on your website. Most likely they're going to say no, and then they're going to go away to another website. So now I'm going to be showing you the difference between a website and a sales funnel. Now, if you don't know what a sales funnel is, it's basically the process of getting a potential customer closer to buying your product or your service. So as you can see, the website right here, it has a pretty much confusing, or I wouldn't say confusing, but it can be confusing or just overcomplicated elements to the web page. But a sales funnel is a lot simpler. Let's say this is your sales funnel right here. So what you can do is you can have, like, let's say an image or a video. I'm going to say a video where you're talking about this one. Let's say you're selling a t-shirt. You're talking about what kind of, maybe what niche the t-shirt is. Maybe it's some kind of streetwear t-shirt. And then right here you're going to have billing information where somebody can enter in their credit card information if they want to purchase that t-shirt. Let's say that your video, you're offering a special price on this t-shirt. Maybe you're charging half price for that t-shirt. Somebody is interested in it, they're going to enter in their billing information. So you're pretty much keeping it simple. Instead of having somebody come to your website and having to search for that product or that specific t-shirt that they're interested in buying, you have it right there for them. They enter in their billing information, and now they can just simply purchase it. But what's also cool about a sales funnel is that it's easy to upsell anybody. So somebody comes and they buy your t-shirt right here. It's supposed to be a t-shirt. Not that good at drawing, but okay. And then right here you can upsell them by taking them to another page where you can have maybe a sweater that you're selling them. So let's say that you're upselling them a sweater and you're giving them a special price. Since they're already here, you can offer them that sweater for half price as well. But any other time they come to your website, that sweater is going to be full price. And if they're interested in buying that sweater, they're going to take advantage of that opportunity. Now the cool thing is, when they came to this first page, they already entered in their billing information, so they don't have to pull out their credit card again to enter in the billing information. So you can actually give them the option by just clicking a button, adding this sweater to their order. So that's how powerful a sales funnel is, because you're making things simple for the customer to see your product, and you're making it easy for them to purchase it by having the billing information right there, instead of having them navigate through your website. Maybe they have to click on the shop now button, they have to find that specific product that they're looking for, but you have it laid out all right here on your sales funnel. Now this is why sales funnels are so powerful, and why I say websites don't work anymore. Pretty soon you're going to see more and more people switching over to sales funnels rather than having a website, because you can have an amazing looking website. You can pay thousands of dollars to have designers make your website look awesome, but I mean, in the end, if you have it confusing like this, people are going to prefer to use a sales funnel where it's simple to find what they're looking for, and it's easy for them to enter in their billing information. So like I mentioned earlier, this method is talked about in Russell Brunson's book, .com Secrets, and I highly recommend it for anybody who's looking to start and grow an online business. This is going to be your best friend in the online digital space. And if you guys want to get a copy of this book for yourself, I'm going to leave a link down in the description below where you can get it for free. All you have to do is just pay for the shipping and handling. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully this video explained a little bit more about what sales funnels are and how they actually work. I hope you guys got some value from it. And if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And let me know down in the comments below what you guys thought about this video. Well, that's pretty much it. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.